Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Garmin Forerunner 965 for running. First, turn on your watch by pressing and holding the light button. Next, download the Garmin Connect app to your smartphone and pair your device. This allows for seamless data syncing and customization. You can then personalize your running activity profiles, choosing which data fields are most important to you. Remember to enable GPS for accurate outdoor tracking before you start your run. Your Forerunner 965 tracks crucial running data. It accurately measures your pace, distance, and heart rate, providing real-time feedback. Beyond the basics, it offers advanced running dynamics such as cadence, which is steps per minute, and stride length. You can also monitor your VO2 max, an excellent indicator of your aerobic capacity. Plus, the watch provides wrist-based running power, helping you gauge your effort without extra sensors. The Forerunner 965 offers powerful training tools. It provides daily suggested workouts that adapt to your performance and recovery. You can monitor your training load and recovery time, helping prevent overtraining. The training status feature gives you insights into how your training is affecting your fitness level. Additionally, built-in maps are available for navigating new routes, ensuring you stay on course during your runs. After your run, dive into detailed summaries within the Garmin Connect app to analyze your performance. The watch also tracks your body battery and sleep, offering a holistic view of your recovery. With impressive battery life, you can get up to 31 hours in GPS mode, perfect for long runs. Its rugged, water-resistant design ensures durability, making it suitable for all your running adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.